Get in a relationship or stay single. Girlfriend, you won't win, this is not bingo. She hot like Cheetos, I'm sharp as a needle. It's time to shoot my shot, here goes my free throw. She was trying to fall back cause her past was tragic. Had a man that was into bad shit. She's attracted to the worst, should I give her the best? I've been working on her mind and I have not slept. She says she's stressed, she got kids and a job that don't pay her enough. I know that sucks. I'm not a bank, but I got a lot of love in my heart. I knew she wasn't interested in that from the start. Saw her sitting in the park, looking down at her phone. No man in sight, she was all alone. Cold world, it can feel like a prison. Can't trust nobody, cheat, steal, and rob me. For my money, for my heart, don't get caught in a trap. I wonder if we broke up, will she want me back? It's true, 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 it's true. It's true, 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 it's true. It's what?